Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Trevor back at it again, and today we're diving deep into the world of online shopping. Specifically, we're talking about Aliexpress, that online marketplace where you can find almost anything under the sun. Seriously, it's like the Wild West of online shopping, but with way more variety and way fewer tumbleweeds. Aliexpress has taken the world by storm, becoming a go-to for bargain hunters and savvy shoppers alike. I mean, who doesn't love a good deal? And with Aliexpress, you can find everything from clothes and electronics to home goods, and even those weird gadgets you never knew you needed. But here's the thing, not everyone has a credit card, right? And you might think, Trevor, how am I supposed to shop on Aliexpress without a credit card? Well, my friend, that's where I come in. In this guide, we're going to break down how to shop on Aliexpress, even if you don't have a credit card. We're talking alternative payment methods, step-by-step instructions, and all the tips and tricks you need to become an Aliexpress pro. So buckle up, get ready to shop, and let's get this bread. Now, before we jump into the world of alternative payment options, let's talk about the usual suspects, the OGs of online payment credit cards. Aliexpress accepts all the major credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, Maestro, you name it. It's quick, it's easy, and it's usually pretty secure. Plus, using a credit card often comes with some added protection, like purchase insurance and fraud detection. But what if you're one of the cool kids who don't play by the credit card rules? What if you're all about that debit life? Don't worry, my friend, Aliexpress has got you covered. They also accept debit cards from most major banks. So whether you're swiping plastic or tapping your phone, Aliexpress makes it easy to pay for your online shopping spree. Okay, so you're ready to dive into the world of Aliexpress, but you don't have a credit card. Maybe you're wary of credit card debt, smart move. Or maybe you just prefer other payment methods. Whatever your reason, don't sweat it. Aliexpress has a whole bunch of alternative payment options that don't require a credit card. That's right, my friend. You can still snag those sweet, sweet deals on Aliexpress, even if you're rocking a credit card-free lifestyle. We're talking about methods like bank transfers, prepaid cards, and even mobile payment systems. So ditch that credit card anxiety and get ready to explore the world of alternative payment options. We're about to unlock a whole new level of online shopping freedom. Section 4, Alternative Payment Options, Step by Step. Let's break down these alternative payment options step by step, so you can shop on Aliexpress with confidence no matter how you prefer to pay. 1. Bank transfers. This one's for the old school shoppers out there. You can transfer money directly from your bank account to Aliexpress. Just select bank transfer at checkout, follow the instructions, and voila. Keep in mind that it might take a few days for the transfer to go through, so be patient, my friend. 2. Prepaid cards. Think of these as gift cards for online shopping. You can buy prepaid cards online or at various retail stores. They usually come loaded with a set amount of money, which you can then use to shop on Aliexpress. Just select prepaid card at checkout and enter the card details. Easy peasy. 3. Mobile payment systems. If you're all about that mobile life, then mobile payment systems might be your jam. Aliexpress supports popular options like Apple Pay and Google Pay. Just link your preferred payment method to your Aliexpress account and you're good to go. 4. Other options. Aliexpress also offers a few other payment options depending on your location. These might include local payment gateways or cash on delivery. Check the Aliexpress website to see what's available in your area. Section 5, Shop Smart, Shop Safe, Shop Aliexpress. So there you have it, folks. Shopping on Aliexpress without a credit card is easy peasy lemon squeezy. With so many alternative payment options available, you can find the perfect method to suit your needs and shop till you drop. Just remember to always shop smart and safe. Double check the seller's ratings, read the product descriptions carefully, and don't be afraid to ask questions. And most importantly, have fun. Aliexpress is a treasure trove of unique and affordable products waiting to be discovered. Now go forth, my shopping warriors, and conquer the world of Aliexpress. And hey, if you find any amazing deals, be sure to let a brother know.